Okay, let's dive in. Today we're taking a close look at the Blustream HEX100HDVGA-KIT. And really, for anyone in professional AV think, universities, boardrooms, the mission here is to figure out why this kit is such a neat fix for what I've heard you call the mixed signal crisis.
Yeah, the mixed signal crisis, it's a real thing. It's that problem where someone walks in with a brand new laptop with HDMI,
Right.
and the next person has an ancient laptop with a VGA port.
And you have to be ready for both.
Exactly. This kit is designed to bridge that gap. The headline, the big number, is that it can extend your audio and video up to 100 meters.
Wow, 100 meters.
Over a single CCAT cable.
Okay, 100 meters is a serious distance. So how is it even doing that? What's the tech behind it?
It's all built on HDBaseT technology.
HDBaseT, right.
Yeah, you can think of HDBaseT as like the ultimate multi-tool for AV. It packages up high bandwidth video, all your control signals, even power, and puts it all down that one wire.
That simplicity has to be huge for installers. But what about the performance at that kind of distance? Especially if you're pushing, say, 4K video.
That's a really important question. So you get that full 100-meter range for your standard HD signals, which is fantastic.
Okay.
But if you're pushing the absolute maximum like high-motion 4K content, the laws of physics kick in a little.
Ah, so there's a trade-off.
A slight one.
Yeah.
You should really plan for a maximum of 70 meters for 4K. It's a critical detail when you're specing out a system.
Right. Bandwidth versus distance. Makes sense. But what about the other half of the equation, the audio? We can't forget audio.
Absolutely not. And this is professional gear, so it gives you pure digital audio pass-through. No compromises.
So we're talking Dolby Atmos, things like that?
All of it. Dolby True HD, Atmos, DTS HD, master audio, whatever advanced format you throw at it, it just passes it right through.
Okay, let's circle back to solving that crisis with the inputs. The transmitter unit has to be pretty versatile, right? To handle both digital and legacy analog.
It's incredibly versatile. On the transmitter, you obviously get your HDMI port, but right next to it is a classic VGA connector.
The DB15.
That's the one. And, crucially, it also has a separate 3.5 millimeter stereo jack.
Ah, for the audio that VGA doesn't carry.
Exactly. So it's truly ready for whatever someone plugs in.
And once they're both plugged in, how does it choose? I mean, you don't want the presenter fumbling with settings in the middle of a meeting.
Ideally, they never have to. The switching is really flexible. It can run on auto sensing.
So last one plugged in gets the screen.
Last connected signal displays, yeah. Or, for more control, there's a manual toggle button right on the unit. And you can even integrate it with, say, a room controller using RS-232 commands.
Speaking of seamless, let's talk power. Running a power outlet 100 meters away can be a total nightmare.
Oh, for sure. This kit solves that with bi-directional PoH.
Power over cable.
Power over cable, yeah. And the bi-directional part is key. It means you only need to plug in one power supply.
On either end.
On either end. So if your source gear is in a locked server rack, you can just power the whole run from the receiver unit by the display. It's a huge time saver.
That simplifies things a lot. And what about remote control? We mentioned RS-232, but what if someone just wants to use their normal remote?
It's got that covered too. It supports bi-directional IR and RS-232 pass-through.
And you get the little IR bugs in the box?
Yep, the IR receiver and the emitters are included. So if the CEO wants to control the source gear that's hidden 3 floors away, they can. It just works. Plus, it's fully compliant with HDCP 1.4 and supports full 3D.
So when you put it all together, what does this actually mean for you, the person installing or owning the system?
It means you're getting a rock-solid piece of hardware that's built to solve those real-world headaches. It just handles it.
It's flexible, it's reliable over huge distances, and it seems like it's built to last. I saw it has a 5-year warranty.
It does. It's a commitment to longevity. This is proper infrastructure gear.
Absolutely. Which leaves us with one final thought for you to consider. This kit supports both basic HDMI control through CEC bypass and also that dedicated bidirectional RS-232 and IR control.
2 very different ways to automate.
Exactly. So think about your own setup. Which control method do you think would be more resilient, more dependable in your specific environment? The hardwired RS-232 automation or the simple direct IR pass-through? Something to think about for your next project.